Hi everyone! Welcome to this Jenkins pipeline tutorial. Jenkins used to specify steps to apply CI/CD practices. The pipeline can be written in several languages: Java, Node.js, JavaScript, Ruby, Go, Python, or PHP. The structure of a Jenkins pipeline typically includes pipeline block, agent, environment block, stages block, stage block, steps, and post block. First, pipeline block. The pipeline block starting point and encapsulates the entire Jenkins pipeline configuration. It defines the scope of the pipeline and contains all stages and steps to be executed. Next, agent block. The agent block specifies where the pipeline will run, agent options, Docker containers, specific nodes, cloud resources. Each stage in the pipeline will be executed on the specified agent. In this code, the Docker agent used. Next, environment block. The environment block used to set up variables that Jenkins will use. Can define path, credentials, or any other environment-related settings. Next, stages block, not stage. The stages block divides pipeline into different phases: building, testing, deploying. Each stage part of CI/CD and executed one by one. In this code, there is a stage built. Next, stage block. Stage block located inside stages block. Each stage block represents a step within the respective stage. Meaningful names given to the stages. Here it's stage build, test, and deploy. Next, step. Inside each stage block defines the actual steps to be executed. Steps can be commands, scripts, or calls to external tools. Jenkins runs these steps in the environment specified by the agent. And lastly, post block. The post block defines actions Jenkins should take after the pipeline is executed. It can handle different scenarios: success or failure, perform actions like notifications or achieving artifacts. Here, post block has success and failure. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See ya!